Hello everyone, welcome to Institute Parameter Chemistry Genius. In this video, we are going to talk about your Canizarro reaction. Okay, so only Canizarro reaction which we discussed is not enough. We will go for cross Canizarro reaction, its factors, and then we'll go for internal Canizarro reaction and what is the difference between cross Canizarro reaction and internal Canizarro reaction. So these things we are going to discuss in this video. So when the oxidant aldehyde, see here, cross Canizarro reaction means there is aldehyde molecule which has been actually acted in the presence of your sodium hydroxide, okay, and one molecule undergoes for oxidation and the other molecule goes for reduction. So in that we discussed totally in details what is your Canizarro reaction. So that is your Canizarro reaction. So when the oxidant aldehyde which is different from the reductant aldehyde, so the first in Canizarro reaction we took two moles of your same molecule, or you can say two molecules of the same aldehyde we have taken. Whereas if there is two different aldehyde present in the reaction mixture, then and if you treat it with sodium hydroxide, then in concentrated sodium hydroxide, then it is said to be cross Canizarro reaction. So for example, if you are taking, see here, benzaldehyde, if we take, this is a benzaldehyde, and if you take formaldehyde, so HCHO and sodium hydroxide, and if you heat, so you are going to get your CH2OH and you get sodium salt of your methanoic acid. So you are going to get that, and benzoyl alcohol and acid. So one molecule is reduced whereas other is oxidized to acid, and the other molecule is reduced to alcohol. So when this mixture of formaldehyde and your, you can say, benzaldehyde is treated in the presence of sodium hydroxide, that times you get two molecules, that is your one is alcohol, that is your benzyl alcohol, and the other one is your sodium salt of methanoic acid. So one is oxidized and the other one is reduced. Now there can be questions. See here, there is two aldehydes, okay, there's one is benzaldehyde and then is formaldehyde. That means one is more substituted and the one is less. So which one will go for formation of alcohol and which one will go for formation of the acid? So see here, the carbon which is more substituted, or the carbon which has benzene ring, or you can say bulky one, will go for the formation of alcohol, whereas you can say the smaller molecule will go for the formation of acid. Why? See, in mechanism it goes for nucleophilic attack, and because formaldehyde, it is less sterically crowded and the carbon is more electropositive because it needs more electrons. That means nucleophilic attack is easily possible, and so the first step is actually now nucleophile attacks the formaldehyde and rather than your benzaldehyde. And in case of benzaldehyde, see what happens is that the carbon has already, you can say, it is not electron deficient. Why? Because the electrons has been taken, it is being supplied by resonance due to your benzene ring. So there is a difference, and that difference will actually make a huge difference. So the more substituted will go for alcohol, whereas the less substituted one will go for the formation of your acid. So this is a very important thing to note. Now we will go for your intramolecular Canizarro reaction. So here what happens is that when you have two aldehyde in the same molecule, see there is an example here, there is a benzene ring and two aldehyde group in the same molecule, then what will happen? See here, one carbon will go for oxidation, the other one will go for reduction similarly. So how you will do? So the mechanism is very much easy. See here is the same way. So first one will go for the nucleophilic attack. So which one? So let's take OH minus ion. Now it will go, and for the nucleophilic attack will attack one carbon. So see here, one carbon is attacked, okay, so you attack this one and you just write the molecule as same to same, okay. Now see, HO minus is added and there is a, you can say, O minus and is present. See here, O minus will come into the picture. Again this hydride shift will take place and it will shift to internally to the same molecule, which is to other carbon, the other carbon of the aldehyde, it is going to shift there. So see here, the first one is forming your COOH and the other one is forming your CH2O minus, and thus now again there is a hydride shift. In the same way, this O minus is going to take away your, will take up your hydrogen from the same molecule, other aldehyde group, okay. So and now see here, sorry, from COH group, and now so there is a formation of acid and alcohol, okay. So thanks for watching the video, and if you like the video, do watch the other videos for more basic concepts, and whatever tricky questions you have, just give me in the comments so that I can discuss in the next video. And if you want some specific topic, and if you want to write it in comments, and if you're new to the channel, channel, please subscribe the channel. If you want Hindi explanation, do write it in comments.